Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we continue with the quadratic equation topic. In the previous video we have learned about the quadratic equation with the positive number ABC, and in this video we continue with the negative number. When I say about the negative number, it means I want to focus on the number A, B and C. And what does it mean the negative number in the equation? For example, you have the example 1 here. I can have 3x squared and minus 5x and plus 2 will be equal to 0. Okay, the first step, I think you have to identify where A, B and C for easily to apply the formula. You got A is 3, the coefficient of the x squared, and x here is minus 5. It means B equal to minus 5 and C equal to 2. So after here you apply the formula of delta like B squared minus 4AC. And B squared is mean the negative 5 squared. But you have to put minus inside the brackets when you take B squared. Minus 4A and C. And here you get minus 5 squared, you got 25, and minus 24 here, and you got 1. A lot of my students always take a mistake about this kind of exercise, like you have they write out delta equal to minus 5 squared minus 4A and C. And here, because they don't put the minus inside the bracket, so when you take the square here, you will have the result minus 25 and minus 24 here, and you got the minus 49. But this is the wrong answer, right? You understand? Because you have to take the own B for square. It means you have to take also the minus sign into the bracket. And after you find x1, after you find delta, you easily to find x1 negative B plus square root of delta divided by 2a. My negative B, you have the minus of minus 5, and plus square root of delta, you got minus 1, and divide by 2, and a 3 here, and minus you have plus 5 and 1, 6 divided by 6, you got 1. And h2, you will have 5 minus square root of delta divided by 2a, it means 6 here, and easy to find 4 divided by 6, and you got a 2 over 3. Okay, in the first example, you have the two solutions, h1 is 1 and h2 is the 2 part divided by 3. And let's focus on the number of b. You have the negative number here, so when you take the square for b, also take the minus sign into the brackets before you want to take square. Okay, the second one, I have 2a squared plus 6h and negative h equal to 0. Okay, identify ABC. B is 6 and C is minus 8. So identify delta B squared minus 4AC. B squared is mean B squared is 6 squared and minus 4 times A is 2 and times C. Look at C. C is H. So when you take C here, you have to take minus H here, and you have the right answer is 36. You got the minus in the outside, and you have the minus in the previous H. So minus and minus, you got plus, and 36 here, and the 100 you have about the delta. And the most common mistake about this one is when you take the delta, you also take 6 squared minus 4 times 2 times 8, because you let's focus on C. C here, you think C equal to 8, so you write down here ES 36 and minus 44, so it will be negative 0, so it cannot have the solution. And this way, you know that it is the not right answer, because this is not C. C is minus 8, so you have to write down both C in here. It means you have to include the minus sign in the formula, and that's why you change the if you have only the plus h here and the sign in here is minus, so the final result is not right. And then you find x1, it means must be plus square root of delta divided by 2a. So minus b, you got the minus 6, and plus the delta, square root of 100 is 10. And divide by 2 times 2, and you got the 4 here, divide by 4, and you got the first one is 1. And the second solution is negative 6 minus square root of 100 divided by 4, and you got the minus 4. Okay, in the second example, you have c is the minus 1, and you have the h1 is 1 and h2 is the negative 4. Let's take care in the exercise 1, you have focus on b because b is the negative number, and in example 2 you got c is the minus number. So all of them, maybe a or b or c, have the negative number. It will change the formula of the delta. So just take care about the delta first, and then you can easily to apply for find h1 and h2. But if you have much wrong about delta, h1 and h2 also make mistake. Okay, so for practice at home, I will give you some exercise like this. And maybe you don't need to find the answer of x1 and h2 is too beautiful number, but maybe it's not true right now. Okay, so since the second one I will have here is minus 5x and plus 1, and maybe another one is minus 3x squared minus x plus 10 equal to 0. Is a and b is minus, and here we have minus 6 squared minus x plus 2. Okay, and one more. Okay, apply the example 1 and example 2 for this homework and work by yourself. Compare with your partner, and if you have any question, please comment in below the video. And don't forget like, share, and subscribe my channel if you feel this video is useful for you for learning math in your school. And thank you so much.